Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to model only half the mesh and then other half just automatically done, that one. So let's start. Blender 2.8, I'm using it right now and it's great. It's great. What's that? Anywho, let's say this is the whatever you are making, and go to edit mode, and I usually click on W, so the vertex vertex and okay, let's say I make it this much, the vertex group, and see through, and click on this one, can see through it, and select the half and X, delete all the half, and then go back to object mode, then there, go to here and mirror mix the half one X way, or you can this way and that way, and so many but we'll use that X set, and then go back to there, and so there you can model this one, and click on the one tip goes this way, and you click on O and J, and shows up this circle. The circle makes bigger, make this push around the big ones, shape make bigger or easier. Anywho, so like that. That's it. So you don't have to model the other half, just only the this half modeled, and then that's it. Alright, that's it like that. Then I'll compare and apply, or do this. Or if you don't want to apply it now, you can just click on this one. So go back to edit mode. See, this shows up. Other set. If you don't want this one, you can click it and doesn't have one. So that's it. And this is the easiest one I use all the time before. Still going to. Okay, that's it. And see you next time. Have a great day.